Hello everyone, today we wanted to go over the differences between our drop-in series, our signature series system, and our no-drop signature series system. Over here we have our drop-in series systems. Now these systems only provide filtration. And what do we mean by that? We mean these use the factory lift pump and provide filtration that is far superior to the OEM filtration. Now let's go over to our signature series system. Our standard signature series system, the majority of kits come with bulkhead fittings that you need to drop the fuel tank and modify your fuel sending unit and put our draw tubes in. Now that is an excellent option and you won't be running into any quarter tank or eighth tank issues. Now let's move over to our no drop signature series system. Our no drop signature series system means you don't have to drop the fuel tank, as it is going to come with our single bolt sump with the suction line and the return line, and that is just for a super simple installation, and it makes it nice and quick. Now on top of the no drop signature series, we have the no drop signature series plus, and those kits are going to come with all black anodized fittings like you can see on this unit with O-ring boss, meaning there's an O-ring that seals the fitting to the FASS system itself. Now if you have any more questions or looking for some more information, please check them out at fassride.com or order yours today.